Hey, fitness fam! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your fitness goals into reality. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after areas of the body, the upper chest. Whether you're looking to build a stronger, more defined look, or just want to balance out your physique, these 5 exercises are going to be your secret weapon. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about why the upper chest is so important. A well-developed upper chest not only enhances your overall physique, but also improves your posture and gives you that powerful, confident look. And guess what? It's not just about aesthetics. Strengthening this area can also boost your performance in other lifts like bench press and push-ups. Ready to transform your chest game? Let's go. First up, the king of upper chest exercises, the incline barbell bench press. Set your bench at a 30 to 45 degree angle to target the upper pecs. Keep your feet planted, engage your core, and lower the bar to just above your chest. Press it back up with power. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. This move is a game changer for building mass and strength. Next, we're isolating those upper chest fibers with incline dumbbell flies. Set your bench at the same angle, grab those dumbbells, and open your arms wide like you're giving the sky a hug. Focus on the stretch and squeeze at the top. This exercise is perfect for shaping and defining your upper chest. Go for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Now, let's add some resistance with the low to high cable chest press. Set the cables to the lowest position and press upward at a 45-degree angle. This movement mimics the incline press, but with constant tension, keeping your muscles engaged the entire time. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps will have your upper chest on fire. Don't have equipment? No problem. The incline push-up is a bodyweight gem that targets your upper chest like a pro. Place your hands on a bench or elevated surface, keep your body straight, and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the bench. Push back up and repeat. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Perfect for home workouts. Last but definitely not least, the Landmine Press. This underrated exercise is a powerhouse for your upper chest and shoulders. Anchor one end of a barbell in a landmine or corner. Grab the other end with both hands and press upward at an angle. The unique movement pattern hits your upper chest from a different angle. Go for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And there you have it. 5 killer exercises to build a stronger, more defined upper chest. Incorporate these into your routine 1 to 2 times a week and watch your chest transform. Remember, consistency is key and proper form is everything. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let me know in the comments which exercise you're adding to your workout. Until next time, stay strong and keep grinding.